Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. Guys, Ziyakhala. Utirelo is tasting the taste of her own medicine, guys. Mpumelelo Mseleku has married Amahle, who is now the first wife, and Utirelo obviously is not going to be the first wife anymore. And I think what hurts the most, like Ukel, she already has a child, with Umpumelelo, but then she is going to be number two. Almost similar to what happened with Umayeni and Umatele. So now history is repeating itself. Ugai is marrying someone that he just met, within a year. When you've been there, you've been going to our photo shoots now, you have a child together. That child, you are also complaining about he is not fully supporting the child. Sometimes we are missing months without paying, and then now someone comes and becomes the first wife. And people are rejoicing on social media bathi nje siyabonga Sibindi Mseleku, because uTrelo naye was doing the same thing to Uvuyokazi. She was mistreating Uvuyokazi, and Uvuyokazi was there first, and then in our figure, and she took over. So now the wheel has turned. She is tasting her own medicine, because now the first wife is someone ovele wafika, and watudula nje girl. She is so beautiful, like cute man, cute, and she seems like a nice person on Omoya Opans. But you never know, guys. You never know. People change, because people change. Sana mabasafika, you would think ukuthi this person is nice, cool, calm and collected, and then once they are into it, hi Sana, they just get into it. People are rejoicing on Instagram, on Facebook, but siyabonga this season. Mpumelelo Mseleku, you are doing the right thing. Continue doing that. Kuthiwa nje uTirelo she has become the kuthiwa yini, she has become Rebecca Malupe. But girl, she is going through the most. She is singing, she is crying. There's nothing that she can do. There's nothing that she can do. Umvana has made a decision, and he is sticking by it. So now we are watching to see Uguchi, is Terelo going to leave the relationship or what? But we will see, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next one.